Hi guys! Today we're gonna have some fun doing an unboxing together. So this box came from my lovely bride who's getting married in a few months, Jackie. Jackie is one of the co-founder of Maelove Skincare. Maelove is known for their luxurious products without the luxurious price tag. Every product in their line is basically under $30. Before I found out Jackie was the co-founder of Maelove, I read the review, did a bunch of research, and I actually ordered the glow maker for my husband and myself. If you guys watch my other video, you'll know we have his and hers. The small molecule allow the product to penetrate into skin like immediately without leaving the tacky feeling. Is just so good. Without further ado, let's do this. So when you open, it comes with the thank you cards. Just every little touch, they just put so much thoughts and love into creating the best user experience. Oh, she sent me another glow maker. Both me and my husband right now, we're gonna be fighting over this. I love this. You guys got to try this. This is basically an antioxidant serum. It's a vitamin C serum with hyaluronic acid and it protects your skin from the sun. It's really good. Highly recommended. And here's the famous Maelove the One Cream. I've been reading so much about this product. They actually just got featured in the Business Insider and the editor rave about this product. This is a gentle face moisturizer and you can use it in the AM and in the PM. All of Maelove products is animal cruelty free, which is super important. They are also paraben, dye, and fragrance free. So it's really clean products that doesn't damage your skin. So let's try it. It is so smooth and so silky. Wow, it absorbed like right away. See? And it's not tacky. I think my husband would really love this because he doesn't like that sticky feeling. Wow, this is amazing. Like it literally within what, like 30 seconds, it already absorbed like to my skin. Wow. And the next product is the Night Renewer. It's a Glycolic Acid cream. I also read a lot of good things about this. They have raving review online. I'm really excited to try this. This product has AHA and it's going to provide a very gentle daily exfoliation to keep our skin like renewed and smooth and radiant. Smoother and brighter. They got me there. So next product is this cleanser right here. It's a triple AHA cleanser. I think Jackie mentioned that this is their new line. I don't think I have personally tried an AHA cleanser, so I'm really excited to try this. And as you guys know, I'm a makeup artist. I wear makeup almost every day myself. The pore here, like I'm really sensitive. I don't want them to get clogged. So this one is gonna help reduce clogged pore. I am going to try this and I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. Ooh, and the next product is their famous sun protector. It has SPF 30. I was watching one of Jackie's early interview and can you believe it? It took her and her team 3 years to formulate this perfect sunscreen that is not gooey, it's not tacky, and it's fragrance free. It doesn't leave you smell like sunscreen for like, you know, the whole day, which is just like, oh, so uncomfortable. So I'm putting the sunscreen on my hand right now and it basically just literally like 5 seconds, it just melted on my hand. Wow, I'm really impressed. This is so nice. Alright, so that's today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy it, and special thanks to Maelove for sending these wonderful, clean, world-class, luxurious products for me to test and to share. If you have tried Maelove products before, please leave a comment below. Let us know what is your favorite products from Maelove line. And remember, beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!